Hello everyone. I am not only working on my doctorate in education, specializing in curriculum, I am also in the process of opening up my museum. And I thought maybe you all would like to come in and see what I do and how I have my processing of the antiques and oddities and all the things that you can see at museumwonders.com. So come on with me. Take a look. Here we are. We're at the museum's building. And now we're going to go in and see all of the amazing things that Museum Wonders offers. Here we are now at the front door of my workshop. I create dioramas that tell a story, and this diorama is about "2020". These guys here were called the black boxes that the news spoke about. Men dressed in black, and the only thing you could see are their eyes. These are the bricks. Here we have the bombs that they hid in the bushes. And of course we all know that police departments caught it, went on fire and were burnt down. A lot of bad stuff. Then we have dioramas that show real bugs, real frogs in their real settings. And then some of it is just fun stuff, like the creepy castle that lights up. And then this is the theater that does light up. Each one of these chairs was handmade. All of this was handmade. And you even have behind the curtain. And then we have Celebrate America. Tells the story coming from the Pilgrims and the Indians. And they have their first Thanksgiving. And then we have baseball, hot dogs, apple pie, and Chevrolet. And here we are with a glimpse of Welcome to Celebrate Jacksonville. Well, that's all for now. Give you little glimpses here and there. And this is Museum Wonders signing out.